Good, everybody, welcome to today's video. My 2020 Ram. I'm going to swap out this battery. It appears that looks like it's the original battery, and I used my battery tester, gave it a whirl. So even just driving around to the garage, 11.6 volts seems pretty low to me. In vehicle, after charge, because I drove just regular cold cranking amp 730 according to Google. State of health 100%. State of charge 0. Good recharge. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna change it out. So as you can see from the test, even though it said state of health 100%, state of charge 0%, it's probably a bad cell in this unit, but I'm going to change it out before winter, because once it gets cold, it's already November, we usually have snow by now, but once it gets cold, that'll for sure kill the battery, and I don't want to be doing this when it's like minus 40 out. So what it looks like is that we got a 10 mil there. Move that plastic cap, and it appears to be a 10 mil there, and we can get those terminals off, and then we can get this foam off. Yeah, anytime working on a vehicle, always good practice to pull the negative off first, because if you're going to pull the positive off first, there's a good chance that you may... I'm going to get a rag for that. I should have had a rag beforehand, but to make these battery terminals so small now that there's not a lot of room. Now I can safely pull this positive off. There's not a lot of room, so wiggle that off, put that off to the side. Now this insulation blanket should just pull off. And we can see how this thing's bolted down. It looks like a 10 mil again. So with the insulator blanket off, you can see that bolt right there. We need to loosen that one off. It's super tight. Bolt out. I just gotta take that block out. Go forward and out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is drop it in there, bolt her up, then put the insulation blanket on. Sure, it's locked into place. Now I gotta reach my sausage fingers in there, get that lock back into place. Now can't forget to put the insulation blanket on. Roll that positive on. Sure it's tight. Put the cap on. Do the same with the ground. They're both tight. New batteries come charged, but you never know how charged they are. Oh yeah, that started up way nicer. So I just got back in the truck, went to go put it into reverse. There's no backup camera, and also there's no climate controls for the passenger side. And I did a quick Google search to see what the heck was going on, and everybody said you gotta wait a couple hours and then everything will be back to normal. So I guess that's what we're gonna have to do. I do want to show you, kill the volume.
Recording started.
Is that after a couple hours, all your features do come back. Like your backup camera wasn't there before, and some other settings. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.